Hi everybody, it's Andrea from Service Department in Sanremo Coffee Machine headquarters. Today I'm gonna introduce you our newcomer on the market, U Machine Single Group Head Semi-Professional Machine. To switch the water source between tank and mains, you have to remove the cup warmer first by unscrewing the 3 screws on top of the cup warmer. And later you have to rotate the 3-way tap on the opposite side. Now the machine is set on tank, so here you can see the drop on the left corner. If you want to move to mains, you should enter here, scroll down, found parameter, water source, and change between tank to line. Confirm. If I turn back, I will find tap icon on the left corner. So now the machine is configured to mains.